We are Latin Americans. We know the complexity of the region and we can translate it for the world. But our purpose goes beyond. We want the region's door to be open. So with EBANX Summit, we've invited the world to get to know us better.
Well, Brazil is one of our top 5 countries, and definitely we believe there's will grow much more in the future.
To make Curitiba, for this week at least, one of the world's capital for payments industry.
Latin America is a potential market for us.
Do what we do because we are passionate about Latin America.
To give options for your consumers to pay abroad with all the payment methods that are used.
Customer relation team, they always provide the instant support.
EBANX brought consumer from Brazil into us and teach us how to make money in Latin America.
We take Latin America to the world and welcome the world here.